The 21st century workplace is changing. Traditional structures are struggling. Businesses need to be faster and more adaptable. Holacracy offers a new approach. It's a system for running an organization. It emphasizes flexibility and distributed authority. Holacracy is not just another management fad, it's a comprehensive system. It redefines how organizations operate. Instead of rigid hierarchies, Holacracy empowers individuals. It provides a clear structure for work. This makes organizations more agile. Traditional companies operate as pyramids. Power flows from the top down. Holacracy flips this model. It distributes authority. Teams and individuals have clearly defined roles. This is not about titles, it's about responsibilities. Everyone understands their role in the organization. Holacracy uses circles instead of departments. Circles are self-managing teams. They have the autonomy to evolve and adapt. There is a clear governance process. This ensures everyone has a voice. Decisions are made quickly and efficiently. Holacracy brings many benefits. Organizations become more agile. They quickly adapt to market changes. Employees feel empowered. They have the freedom to innovate. Decision-making is faster. This removes bottlenecks. Holacracy fosters transparency. Everyone understands the organization's goals. This creates alignment. Employees are more engaged. They have a sense of ownership. This results in higher productivity. Section 4. Implementing Holacracy. A step-by-step guide. Implementing Holacracy is a journey. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It requires commitment and training. The first step is to define the organization's purpose. This is the why behind the work. Next, roles and accountabilities are defined. This brings clarity to the work structure. A Holacracy coach can guide the process. Regular meetings and feedback are essential. This ensures continuous improvement. Section 5. Holacracy in action, real-world success stories. Many organizations have embraced Holacracy. Zappos, the online shoe retailer, is a prime example. They adopted Holacracy to increase agility. They reported increased employee engagement. Medium, the online publishing platform, also uses Holacracy. This allows them to innovate quickly. They have a flat organizational structure. This empowers employees to contribute their best ideas. Section 6. Challenges and solutions. Navigating the transition. Transitioning to Holacracy can be challenging. Resistance to change is common. Employees may be used to traditional hierarchies. Clear communication is crucial. Training and support are essential. It's important to remember that Holacracy is an ongoing process. It requires constant adaptation and feedback. With the right approach, Holacracy can transform organizations. It creates a more fulfilling and productive work environment.